Welcome to Best Choice. The best marine clear coat is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your boat or watercraft. It acts as a shield, protecting your vessel from the harsh marine environment, including UV rays, saltwater, and physical damage. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of marine clear coats, exploring their benefits and helping you choose the perfect one to keep your boat looking its best. Number 5. TotalBoat Marine Gelcoat, Neutral, Quart with Wax. This is a premium marine-grade polyester gel coat, more durable than standard options. It's the smart choice for cosmetic repairs, hull coatings, and building composite parts on boats and more. It's ideal for cosmetic repairs and easy to tint to match your existing gel coat. You can create pastel colors with white gel coat or bold colors with neutral gel coat. Remember to add colorants before the MarineCoat catalyst. Application is easy with a brush, roller, or spray gun thanks to its non-sagging, high-viscosity formula. It offers great coverage and has a pot life of 8 to 12 minutes at 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The cured product is easy to sand and polish. For polyester resin layups, use gel coat without wax first. For the final coat, use the one with wax to ensure it dries tack-free. If needed, you can thin it with styrene only. It's available in white or neutral, with or without wax. White gel coat comes in quart and gallon sizes, while the neutral gel coat is only available in quart size. It includes MarineCoat catalyst and provides great coverage. What we like. This gel coat is built to last, offering superior durability compared to standard options. It's also incredibly easy to customize, allowing you to perfectly match or create unique colors. With its one-step application, it simplifies the process. If you are looking for a reliable and customizable solution for boat building or repair, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This gel coat is much easier to work with around 70-80 star. This gel coat comes through every time. Isan's great, is outperforms any other gel on Amazon. This stuff is dynamite on non-skid surfaces. Did not even have to get rid of the dead gel coat, just cleaned with soap and water. Used a high-quality paintbrush that I had to toss after each application, and worked quickly. Non-skid has two sets of lines, one down and to the right, the other 90 degrees off and to the left. I brushed on to the right and finish brushed into the other set of lines to the left. Makes a more uniform-looking surface. Hard as nails and stain-free thus far. Number 4. TotalBoat Halcyon Water-Based Marine Varnish. Introducing TotalBoat Halcyon, an innovative marine varnish. It enhances the natural beauty of wood with an ultra-hard finish, making it easy to apply and creating beautiful results. This varnish dries quickly, allowing you to recoat in just 1 hour at 72 degrees Fahrenheit without sanding. You can apply up to 5 coats in a single day, achieving a professional finish much faster than with traditional varnishes. Apply this varnish with a brush, roller, or spray. The low VOC, water-based formula means it has a low odor during application. Cleanup is simple, requiring only soap and water. Select from amber gloss to create a traditional look, or enhance the wood's natural beauty with clear gloss, semi-gloss, or satin. For satin and semi-gloss, build up with gloss varnish first and top coat with final finish. TotalBoat Halcyon is available in pint, quart, and gallon sizes. Typical coverage is 40 to 50 square foot pint and 80 to 100 square foot quart. We recommend at least 2 to 4 coats for indoor use and 4 to 6 coats for outdoor wood. What we like. This varnish dries incredibly fast, allowing for multiple coats in a single day. The water-based formula makes application and cleanup a breeze. If you value your time and want a beautiful, durable finish without the hassle, you should consider this. What people say. It dries fast, but you have enough time to work with it. I can use less of this finish and get results that are above and beyond anything else I have used. Easy cleanup and can be used indoors as well. Number 3. Furniture Clinic Wood Varnish, Satin Finish. Introducing Furniture Clinic Wood Varnish. This product is perfect for all your wood sealing needs. It's designed to protect and beautify your wood surfaces. This varnish is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for doors, baseboards, furniture, and all indoor woods. Whether it's a small project or a large one, it ensures a flawless result. The varnish forms a durable sealant. It effectively protects against stains, liquid damage, and general wear and tear. This ensures the longevity and beauty of your wood. It features a water-based formula with low VOC content. This means it's virtually odor-free and safe to use. You can enhance your space without any unpleasant smells. The satin finish enhances the natural color and grain of the wood. It makes your wooden pieces stand out beautifully. It provides a captivating look. This varnish is perfect for various home improvement projects. It's great for refinishing doors, baseboards, and furniture. It protects and beautifies all your wood projects. Furniture Clinic's wood varnish works on both new and old wood. Whether you're preserving new woodwork or restoring older pieces, it provides excellent protection. It prevents stains and damage. What we like. This varnish not only seals and protects your wood but also enhances its natural beauty with a captivating satin finish. Its water-based formula ensures a safe and pleasant application experience. If you like a subtle, elegant look for your furniture and want to protect it, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use, easy clean up. Nice finish. Nice coverage. After using the stain which matched the original stain pretty closely, I used 3 coats of the varnish, lightly sanding between each coat to refinish a side table ruined by not using a coaster. Super easy to apply and quick drying time. I applied this varnish to a southern yellow pine guitar body that I used a water-based leather dye on. Looks great. Number 2. MarineCoat 1 Clear Gel Coat Repair Kit. Is your boat looking a little dull? This clear gel coat with wax is perfect for bringing back that showroom shine. It's easy to apply and provides a spotless finish. Want to add a personal touch? This kit allows you to customize your boat with a clear top coat or even add metallic flakes. It's a great way to make your vessel unique. Protect your boat from the harsh marine environment. This repair kit offers UV protection, high gloss, and blister resistance. It's designed to keep your boat looking its best. Save money and time with professional-looking DIY repairs. This gel coat is easy to apply and has a low VOC content for a safe environment. It's perfect for fixing scratches and scuffs. With every purchase, you're supporting veterans. MarineCoat 1 is committed to helping veterans. We also provide technical support and guidance throughout the process. What we like. This gel coat provides excellent UV protection and blister resistance, ensuring your boat maintains its shine and integrity. It's designed for easy DIY application, saving you time and money. If you are looking for a product that protects your boat from the harsh marine environment, this is the one. What people say. Mixes easy, goes on easy, and I have zero gel coat experience, sands and buffs nicely. The manufacturer suggested I use automotive paint to match the original color. This product mixes well with the color paint. Great product and very quick shipping. Highly recommend. Number 1. MarineCoat 1 Premium Marine Gel Coat. Are you tired of scratches and cracks on your boat? This premium marine gel coat is the perfect solution. It permanently repairs and replaces the original finish, leaving it looking brand new. Made with the highest quality ISO NPG marine gel coat, it cures to a hard finish. Use it to fill gouges, cracks, scrapes, and scratches effectively. This product ensures durability and a long-lasting repair. This gel coat has a special formula that prevents running and sagging. It provides both hardness and resiliency, ensuring a smooth and professional finish. This makes the application process easier. This gel coat comes with tinting pigments to match your boat's color. It is available in white, clear, or black, with or without wax. This ensures a seamless repair that blends perfectly. By choosing this product, you're also supporting a veteran-owned business. They are committed to providing the highest quality gel coat and customer service. Your purchase helps support homeless veterans. What we like. This gel coat offers a premium finish and comes with tinting pigments to match your repair perfectly. It also supports a great cause. If you like supporting veteran-owned businesses while getting a top-quality product, you should consider this. What people say. Follow the directions and you'll get great results. Used to resurface our boat deck, a lot of York but looks very nice. This is easy to mix and use. Makes patches on my boat easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.